Hi. So I am Faith Kayampa. I am an independent Scentsy consultant, and today we're going to be smelling the January 2024 Bring Back My Bars. So if you don't know what Bring Back My Bars are, they are 25 bars that we've previously had that are no longer available, that consultants and customers voted on to come back for a limited time. So I'm going to smell them, give my honest opinions, read the scent descriptions, and you can kind of go from there. I'm excited about some of these. Some of these I have smelled because, like I said, I've been a consultant for over 9 years, almost 10 years. Wow, almost 10 years. So some of them I probably have smelled, but some of them might be, or I might not remember some of them. So we're just gonna roll with it. We're gonna sniff. We're gonna give our honest opinions, and then we're gonna go from there. Okay. So the first one I have is Awakening. Awakening is, let me read the scent description for it, if I can find it. You would assume that it would be in alphabetical order, and it is. So invigorate your senses with an unexpected harmony of white peach and vanilla, pineapple and amber. That sounds amazing. That sounds pretty good. I'm weird about vanillas though, I'm gonna be honest. If you follow me on Facebook or anything, you know I'm weird about vanillas. That one is really good. It's not as fruity as the description makes it to be. There is some amber in there. The peach is light. Everything in this bar is very light. That's what I would have to say about this. It's good. It's just a little bit light. So if you want something a little, not something in your face, then that's probably the best for you. Cinnamon. I don't remember this at all. Blend of warm cinnamon and spices with a burst of peppermint. That sounds good. I like pepperminty smells. And I like to give my wax a good rub before I smell it because it kind of warms it up, makes it smell like what it's going to smell like in the warmer. I'm going to smell from the bottom too. Once again, this is very mild as well. This is a very mild thing. Oh, there it is. Ooh, never mind. Okay, I like the peppermint. I get more peppermint than I do cinnamon. It's a good blend. If you like peppermint, ooh, okay. It's hitting now. It's not. Peppermint. I think it's more pepperminty than cinnamon, but I like that because I love peppermint. Cranberry mango. Mango, cozy cranberry, and spicy pineapple. This sounds good to me because I do love mango. I love fruity scents. That's my favorite. That is, yeah, that's the stuff. That's really good. Cranberry, I smell the mango. I smell pineapple. That one's really, really good. That one's good. If you like fruit, you will like that one. If you like fruity scents. Amaretto. Almond scented fragrance sweetened with honey and spice. Let's try it out. Very almondy, very almondy. It does smell like amaretto. Super almondy. Not my cup of tea because I don't typically like a ton of almond. But if you like almond, you will love that scent. Because, I mean, that's exactly what it smells like. They right. Oh, we have a Disney scent. We have Disney Twitter pated. I do remember this scent. It's from Bambi. This is so stinking cute. Okay, the scent description isn't on what I printed out, so we're just gonna go with it. This one, if I can open it. Okay, we got it. That one's so good. It's very light and airy and fresh. It's like walking through a field of flowers and grass and being outside in the sunlight. This says spring to me. It says outdoor spring hike, and that makes me happy. That makes me happy. That one's really, really good. That one's really good. Ooh, that one's good. Okay. I don't even know how to say this one. I don't think I've ever seen this one. Lana Sarah, if you know what it is, please tell me. A honey, it must be a type of flower, my assumption. Honeysuckle trumpet as warm, amber, and patchouli hover over a spring garden. Okay, let's try. Ooh, that's nice. I smell the honeysuckle. I don't get a ton of patchouli, like it's not super manly or overpowering. It just smells like a spring garden. That is perfect. That is really good. I normally don't like a ton of floral. I actually really like that, and I like the Twitter painted. It is what it is. You just never know. You just never know what you're gonna like. And sometimes my likes change. Lavender, vanilla. We'll see about this. Once again, weird about vanilla, and I'm weird about my lavender. It has to be a certain kind of lavender. Calming scent with blend. A calming scent blend with lavender and chamomile. I mean, it's pretty much straight up what it says it is, right? Lavender and chamomile. That's exactly what it smells like. If you like lavender and chamomile, you will like this. It's not super strong though. Like, have you ever smelled a lavender and you're like, it's too much? I think the chamomile actually balances this out. Once again, nice, light, not overpowering. Good scent. It's pretty good. It's not my favorite because I'm weird about lavender and vanilla. Twilight. Lovely, sophisticated scent infused with soft, romantic florals and ocean air. I want to know who writes these scent descriptions, and I want to be a part of it. I just like, what kind of, like, how do you apply for that job? You have to have a really good resume, probably written very well. Okay. Lovely, sophisticated scent. I don't know what to say about this one. This one has left me kind of speechless. It's not, I mean, it's a little bit floral. I don't know what to say about you. I'm not sure about this bar. It's very, very light, which is not my jam. Like, I like some light things, but I want to be able to, like, if I'm spending money, I want to be able to smell it. You know what I'm saying? That's mine. Simply Patchouli. My husband will probably freaking love this. He loves patchouli. Dive into the rich, earthly scent of patchouli. Yep, this is like pure patchouli. This is, I wonder if you've never smelled patchouli, like what it smells like a really strong cologne, I would say. Like a very earthy cologne. That's how I would describe it. My husband is gonna love that. He's gonna love that. That is super strong. I would probably mix that with something, unless you like really big scents. Like if you like, yeah, if you like them in your face, go for it. Toasted caramel sugar. Warm milk, ooh, with caramelized sugar and toffee, all swirled together with the scent of sweet, silky vanilla musk. I like food scents. Food scents are good for me. That one's really good. It smells like you've been baking all day, but you really haven't. That one's good. I like that one. Liam would like that one. Okay. Red cedar and sage. Red cedar and sage. This one I have had. Like I've smelled it before, so I know what we're getting into. Run free through red cedar, sage, and fresh forest greens. That smells really good. Outdoorsy. Like I said, like walking through a forest. It's a little bit deeper notes than the Twitter painted because it has that sage to it, so it's a little bit deeper, but that's really good too. Oh, I like that. Blood orange spice. Blood orange spice. Candied apple, blood orange, puree, and cinnamon stick. Like this says fall all over it, right? It says fall all over it. Oh, that's good. That is really, really good. It's like a warm, spiced mulled cider. That's how I would describe it. That's really good too. That's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. I'm just trying to get through these as quickly as I can because I know there are a lot of them and I don't want this video to be crazy long. Toasted apple butter. I don't think I've ever smelled this. Creamy butter blended with ripe apples, accented with rich spices. I mean, it sounds like it's gonna be good. Like, meh. Yep. Oh my gosh. 10 times better than the toasted caramel sugar. It smells like apple. It does smell like apple butter, like what you put on your toast. Or that's banging. That's Toasted caramel sugar was good. That's better. That's 10 times better. Hands down. Hands down. Easy peasy. Okay. Then we have another Disney scent. We have Lightyear to Infinity and Beyond. Fizzy orange and black currant are cosmically balanced with plum blossom and sugared raspberry. I'm just gonna rub ya. Oh my gosh. Disney does a good job with their scents. We work very closely with Disney because they are very particular about their scents. That one is really good. Very fruity. I smell the orange. That's really good. I like that one too. I like that one too. Vanilla walnut. We'll see. It's got vanilla in it. A warm fragrance with roasted walnut and sweet vanilla bean. That's good. It's like the Amaretto that we smelled earlier, but not as strong. That's what I have to say. Kind of smells a little bit like a frosting, but not as sweet. Like a cream cheese frosting. That's good. That's good. Caramel sugar cone. I feel like I'm gonna really like this one. I think this is one I remember loving, loving, loving. Caramel, vanilla sugar cone, and a touch of malt. Oh, that one's good. That one's good. Still not as good as the toasted apple butter, guys. That's good. It smells like you're eating an ice cream cone, but yeah, it's good. Not as good as that toasted apple butter. I'm gonna have to get toasted apple butter. That's all there is to it. Falling leaves. Okay, this one isn't too old. A blend of cloves, cinnamon, and patchouli. So you're gonna have that earthy scent, but you're also gonna have like the nice warm spices. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. It doesn't remind me of being outside. It just reminds me of like fall. Like you're cooking in your house and like you know it's fall and it's crispy and crunchy outside. That's what it reminds me of. That's good. Not everything nice. Everything nice. Let me find it on my sheet. It's not on here. That's fun. It's not on here. That's fun. It's a good time. Oh, but I can tell you that is cinnamon sugar. Oh, that is good. That is really good. That one is like toasty, cinnamon, warm. That one smells like fall and you're baking too. That's good too. Okay, lots of lavender. Lots of lavender. Lots of lavender. Just lavender. Wait, did I mix one of them up? Oh no, did I mix one of them up? That's straight up lavender. It's lavender. If you like lavender, you will like that. I'm weird about my lavender though. Strawberry Sweetie. Fruity delight of juicy strawberries sprinkled with sugar. I mean, that's probably going to be really good. It's not just like pure strawberry, like it says. Like when I think of strawberry, I think about smelling the fruit, right? But this has that, like, it does smell like sugar. It's good. It's a very, very, very sweet strawberry. It's a very sweet.